channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the brand new DJI Avata 2 and its remote controller 3. So as you can see, like the last time I unboxed a gadget was when my Bor Chachu gave my Baba the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, but this time my Bor Chachu got my Baba the brand new DJI Avata 2. So, and it's controller 3. So let's get started on seeing what is on the box. What are we expecting when we open the box? So as you can see here is the goggles 3, the remote, the controller, and the main thing, the Avata 2. So let's get to unboxing. And by the way, my Baba has been really wanting this drone for a long time, and my Bor Chachu decided to surprise my Baba with it. And my Baba was really excited and happy. So as I'm unboxing it, let me tell you about the drone. So this drone has the brand new Avata 2. It has a carrier. It has a carrier and a carrier. As you can see, it has a QR code if you want to scan. Let me get up this. Just set this aside right here. So there you go. As I said, it has a carrier case, which the original Avata did not have. So here you can see it has a little pouch and the tag. It has a little pouch. You can store extra accessories here on both sides, or a water bottle or anything you need for the Avata. I'm not a professional at opening this thing, so.
Mommy, there is this here.
Oh. The zipper was camouflaged. I was not able to see it, so forgive me for my mistakes. So, as you can see here, there is a lot of things we can see. We're gonna start off by opening this little small carrier pouch. This little pouch. Let's just start off by taking out all the little accessories. Is there anything more? No. So let's just set this off aside. So as you can see here, there are 4 different new propellers, so you can replace it with. This is the USB-C cord, a little instructions and stickers right here, and here are the 2 lenses and the head case and another USB cord right here. So let's set these off aside, and don't worry guys, I'm also going to be opening this, so just stay for that. So let's see what is here. So this one is the remote. This is the controller. I'm trembling while I'm opening this because I don't want to ruin it before my Baba can even use it. So as you can see, this is a very sleek controller right here.
It's called motion controller.
Motion controller. So It's a little smaller than the original one, but that is still okay. So you can hold it like this, and you can reverse with it, which we couldn't do with the OG Avata. And this is the battery pack right over here.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to open it, Mom.
So it's right here.
Yes.
Oh, and this is the best one. Can I open it?
Yeah, sure.
So this is the headset. This is the goggles I meant. This is the beautiful goggles, and and over here are the two lenses. You can just pop these right out, and then you will be able to see to these small lenses.
Yeah.
And here it has these really cushion pads, so you can place your face on it, your eyes on it. And I feel like that could benefit a lot of people because they could feel uncomfortable to these metal parts right here. So that is a big bonus. And it obviously, and here if you turn it, it can adjust the bands as tight as you want or as loose as you want. And at the back, it's also pretty cushioned for those of you who like cushioned surfaces. So let me just put that right over here with the motion controller. And last but not least, the moment you've all been waiting for, the main Avata, DJI Avata 2 drone, the new one. Can I open it?
Sure.
The package is sewn a little more lightly so we can all open it. There she is. Isn't she really beautiful? So as you can see, the Avata 2, it has propellers. One are up, and the other two are facing down. So it has like a steady motion as it goes. And this Avata 2 can go through like really tight surfaces, like in your house or outside in the mountains, wherever you are. So this is basically the camera lens, and the body right here this is the battery pack. So that is that, and you can open it and then store it right here. So this is the drone. Yeah, I'm not going to get into much details, and so you can read it, the manual. And I need some scissors. Oh, there you go. And now we're going to get to unboxing the remote controller 3. It looks like kind of like a video game controller. So that's a little cool. So sorry, there's a piece to it. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna open it. So this is the beautiful remote controller 3. So let me just get to opening it. I need some scissors because it's too hard to open. There she is. This is the beautiful remote controller. So these are all the buttons to work it. This is the start and stop button and everything. It's a little bit thicker than most controllers, but it's still pretty nice. So, and these are all the instructions, whatnot, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video, comment, share, and yeah, if you get this, get it. It's really nice. So yeah, bye.